In order to get this question right, you need to know what log correlation is, specifically when it's performed by a SIEM or a SIM, however you want to call it. It stands for Security Information Event Management. So it's basically a tool that's allow you to do automated analysis of log data. Now, what's a log? Well, a log is like a record of events that happened. And usually our logs come from a whole bunch of different systems or sources. So you can have a firewall log, you could have a endpoint log. Basically, there's so much data information and stuff that gets captured about what happens on the network every single second that a SIM is really good for sort of bringing all that together and then doing analysis on it. So we're sort of looking for an answer choice that's going to talk something about that. So let's read A. Well, is it making a chronological record of events? That's a good definition of what a log is. So I would say A is just describing logging, not log correlation. So A is out. B, analysis of individual log files from various systems components. So this feels like a manual review or auditing of logs, not the actual correlation. So I would label this as log review. So it's not B. C, is it combining relevant log entries from multiple sources into a single one? Well, that's an important step in log correlation, but it actually doesn't describe the correlation itself. Meaning this is a definition, textbook definition of what we call aggregation. This is simply bringing all these disparate sources together, but a SIEM not only does aggregation, but it takes it one step further, which is the analysis of all of that stuff that is aggregated to look for attack patterns. So let's read D, searching, parsing, analyzing of, there it is, aggregated log data to do what? Yeah, to look for attack patterns or malicious activity. This is a perfect definition of correlation. So the reason why D is the right answer and not C is because aggregation is sort of the precursor, or it's a step that comes before correlation. You have to do aggregation to allow for correlation, but a SIEM specifically does correlation in addition to aggregation. So that's why the answer is D.